Hello there.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to We Made It.
I'm BJ.
I'm Corey.
We're the Maze.
Yes, we are.
And all of this is going in one drink, and we're going to really screw ourselves up today.
Woo! No, just kidding.
Just kidding. You might be looking at this and going, what in the world is happening? I hope you noticed that there happen to be 4 copper mugs out front because we're going to make 4 mules in one video today because it's after Thanksgiving.
So we can officially start thinking about Christmas.
Yes. And a mule is a great wintry drink.
Well, and it's
really
a great party
is.
drink because there's no shaking.
No shake.
All you gotta do is stir. And so you could totally go and have like 10 different mule variations for your party, and
Absolutely.
that could be it.
A mule bar, if you will.
Mule-a-palooza.
Mule-a-palooza. That's a word. Everything's a word. All words are made up.
I mean, and if we're drinking mules, are we just jackasses?
Oh, I see where you're going with that. Oh, it's very punny. Very nice.
All
Should
right.
we make these drinks?
We should.
Okay.
So we're going to take turns, and you're going to go first.
I am going to go first, and we're going to start with a cranberry mule. Now, the cranberry mule, we like cranberry orange rather, for this one, and it uses a cranberry vodka for this one. We're going to have another variation on this in a minute.
This is good cranberry vodka. So
I really like
it actually
this.
tastes like cranberry. It doesn't taste fake.
Really
There's
nice.
a lot of flavored vodkas taste.
Awful.
Yeah, especially fruit ones. They don't, like, you know how there's a difference between, like, strawberry Jolly Rancher and actual strawberries?
Oh, yeah.
Like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, strawberry vodka most of the time just tastes like bubble gum, like strawberry bubble gum.
Not great. So I got this big thing here because she broke the little one that we usually use in our videos.
I didn't break it. Whoever put the dishes back that way broke it because they stuck things together that should not have been stuck together.
She broke it.
No.
Couldn't have been me. So we're going to go 2 ounces of cranberry vodka.
Yep.
And we're going to go with just about ½ ounce. I'm just going to splash a little bit of this in here.
Of orange juice.
Of orange juice.
And you can absolutely use fresh oranges and squeeze them.
Sure.
But we're going for like simple. If you're having a party, you just buy a big jug of orange juice and call it a day. These cranberry mules are also really good with lime.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
good.
not like speaking from experience or anything.
Except that she's speaking
Except
from
that I'm
experience.
Speaking from a lot of experience.
Like lots and lots of experience. 4 ounces of ginger beer, and we are off to the races.
And that's it.
Give it a quick stir,
Done.
and we are ready to go. Okay,
So,
next up.
Variation on this cranberry mule is a cranberry ginger mule.
Ginger.
Because it uses gin instead of vodka.
It's punny, see?
So we are using an unsweetened cranberry juice. So we are using a sweeter gin. We're using Old Tom gin. All right, so how much of this gin am I putting in here? 2 ounces? Kind of the rule for a mule, right?
As a general rule, it's going to be 2 ounces of booze, 4 ounces of ginger beer, and then whatever else you're doing to dress it up.
Yep. So 2 ounces of gin, some cranberry juice. How much cranberry juice did you do?
I did maybe a ½ ounce of that and a ½ ounce of the lime. So
my ounces.
you don't have ½ ounce markers on there because you broke the thing.
Shut up. All right.
½ an ounce
Here
each
we
of cranberry
go.
and lime.
And we're gonna. How much ginger beer?
About 4
Can
ounces
I
of
just
ginger
use
beer.
that?
Yeah.
Use what's left of it?
Yep. Here, you want some ice in there?
Yes, please.
Okay, we're going to get some ice in there so you can get that going.
And you don't have to measure the ginger beer. You can totally just like top, depending on how strong you like your mules.
Oh, yeah. If you look at that.
That's about right.
Just
All right.
about right. Give it a quick stir.
Number 2, done. All right, you're up next.
I'm up next. All right. Next one is going to be a maple mule. And
So good.
Very excited about this.
And this is technically a Kentucky mule.
It is technically a Kentucky maple mule.
Because what makes it a Kentucky mule?
Bourbon.
Bourbon. Instead of
vodka, you use bourbon. Shout out to my friend Jamie who sent me this totally amazing bottle of fancy schmancy organic maple syrup from Canada.
We've been saving it just for this video.
I have, and I've had to make it with like this wildly inferior like northeastern United States maple syrup a couple times.
That's right.
I threw a couple jalapenos in there, just a couple jalapeno slices. I'm going to start with a little bit of that and just a splash of orange juice.
Yep.
Side note, if you want to say hi to my friend Jamie, he's at Jolt Studios on Twitter or jolt-studios.com online. He's like my top 5 favorite Canadians I've ever met.
You've met more than one Canadian?
Well, at least 5 now. I'm going to go ahead and muddle up this jalapeno a little bit in the bottom of the glass.
I'm going to open some ginger beer for you.
In the bottom of the mug with the orange juice.
I'm going to open your maple syrup too.
Excellent. Thank you. Maple syrup, I'm going to do... Got my jigger for this one because it's going to make it sticky. So I'm going to do a full 1 ounce of the maple syrup. There it goes.
Maybe.
There it goes. Oh, it's so cool. Look at this amazing bottle. Oh, it's like liquid gold.
Excuse me.
Go 1/2 ounce and another 1/2 ounce. And you've seen us add ice to our drinks as we go, but this time I am not going to add the ice until I am done with at least the bourbon. So I'm going to bring the bourbon in, have that, because I'm going to need to stir it up. The maple syrup will tend to sit in the bottom of the glass if you don't get a little stir going before you get your ice in there. 2 ounces of bourbon. In it goes. I'm going to give that a quick stir in the glass. 4 ounces again. Now the ice can go in. 4 ounces again of our ginger beer.
Whoa, slippery ice.
A jalapeno Kentucky.
Well, it sure smells exciting.
Maple Mule.
Our last mule is I'm calling it a gingerbread mule because it sort of tastes that way to me. We're going to start with vanilla vodka. So we're going to go 2 ounces of that. You've seen us use vanilla vodka many, many times for many things, especially in the cooler months. Although, I got to say, it's still like 65 today. So it's not really feeling like a cooler month.
The South, ladies and gentlemen.
You know, and I probably should have used just a little less of that.
No,
but
fine.
it's fine. We're going to go about 1/2 ounce. Oh, no, we decided an ounce,
whole
didn't
ounce,
we?
Yep, whole ounce of the...
We're kind of like adapting some of these on the fly. We made it once.
Made it twice.
Decided we're going to change
Made a change in our heads.
It's fine. 4 ounces of our ginger beer, and I think just a splash of that orange juice.
Yep.
A very small splash.
You can do the very small splash, right?
Yep. You just need something to cut the sweet. Just a little.
Okay.
You could totally leave the orange juice out or do
Throw the ice on
lemon
the
if you
floor.
wanted. Look at that. You got like the exact amount of ice that we needed.
This is amazing.
Yeah, that just tastes like a cookie. Like, for real. Here, you have to try that one.
Oh, it's a shame I don't have any other mule of my own.
Doesn't it taste like a Christmas cookie?
All right. So, I'm feeling pretty good about my life. Why don't you just cheers?
Cheers.
All right. What a bunch of nerds.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Oh, man.
So, boy, the description on this one's going to be long because it's going to have 4 recipes in it. But there you go. Mule-a-palooza. 4 mules in one video.
Yes.
Just in time for your holidays.
Now, it's almost December. So, for we're going to do a countdown to Christmas coming up here. Thought we should advertise.
I dig it.
What's coming. So I think starting December 1st,
yes,
we're going to start doing something every single day. So if you are not following us on all of the things, Facebook, Instagram, or both at We Made It Cocktails.
At We Made It Cocktails.
Have some more mules.
You know what you need is another mule. Here, I got one. Why don't you have a third?
No, I'm good. At We Made It Cocktails. We're on Twitter.
At We Made It Drinks on Twitter.
Yep. And so if you're already watching this on YouTube, great. If not, if you're
subscribe.
watching this on Facebook, go over to YouTube and see all of our old stuff.
And subscribe. It helps us out.
Yes. And you get notifications of when we do stuff.
That's right. And if you're following us on YouTube, or if you're seeing this on YouTube and haven't seen us on Facebook, rather, go over to Facebook and click like, and you'll get notifications when we post stuff over there.
We'll probably be doing a lot more stuff on Facebook and Instagram in December.
Right. Probably won't be full-length videos for everything.
No. We're going to do some quick videos. We're going to do just some posts of recipes. Yep. We'll do some throwbacks.
Yep.
To some older stuff. But we're going to post something every single day.
From now till Christmas.
From December 1st until Christmas.
Yeah. Hey, thank you for stopping by.
Thank you for watching. Come back very soon.
Every day in December.
December 1st is what? Like 2 days away?
It's not far.
Oh, crap. We got to get our shit together.
We do. Oh, no.
Oh, boy. Follow us on all the things. Tell your friends. Hey, show us what you're making.
Please
Tag us on social media.
Also
with photos of what you're making and send us your recipes, and we might give you a shout out on camera.
Yeah.
Just like we did Jamie today.
Heck yeah.
And have a wonderful
holiday
season. Come back and see us. We'll give you lots more ideas.
Great. We'll see you then.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, how do we?
Double. Oh, we're going across? Or you're just going across?
Sure.
How do I do this?
I don't know. Here, I'll trade you drinks.
What?
Wait, how do we?
Oh, that? Oh, no, we just trade drinks.
You don't trade.
Oh, you don't trade? Okay.
Yeah, no, that's what I was doing. Or I can fit 3 in there, though.
I can't fit 3.
Because I have smaller fingers than you.
You
have big stubby fingers.
Now they're jammed in there and screwed up.
Let me see how big
does
your
that
fingers
finger? I see how. I think we only took
5
about
minutes.
14 minutes to do the whole thing.
That's a little long.
That's what she said.
I was waiting for you to get there. I thought of it as soon as I said it, and I was going to let you have it.
I saw your smirk, and I had to rewind. I was like, what did she say? Because she made the that's what she said face.
I didn't know I had a that's what she said face.
I'll show you.
Okay.
This is your that's what she said face. You say something, then you go.
Can you ever forgive me?
I imagine. I imagine you could probably convince me. Hold on, wait. I imagine you could probably convince me. That's the other look there, is the one eye squint, where you like do this pirate thing, where you're just like, why I oughta. Some of the key ones I figured out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was it again. You don't even think you did it, but you did it. The one eye squint and all right. Why I oughta. That was what it was. You just did it. I have video proof. We're gonna rewind and show it in slow-mo.
Mine are almost exactly the same level. I was only drinking this one and I felt bad for the other one, so I started. It's like you.
Whoa, no.
At least the lid was on.
Not
Holy
the maple syrup.
Not the maple syrup.
And that's another look you do. Where you go. Where you like your eyes go up and left and up and right and up and left and up and right. Like, I don't know. I'm just doing my own business. I don't even know what you're talking about. And that one means, but I wouldn't know about that.
You're almost an obstetrician
I have never had a man as an obstetrician before.
If we make a Mexican mule, can we call it a burro?
A burro?
A burro.
Burro. Doesn't she have that copyrighted?
Probably.
I might have to edit that out.
We're going to have to edit that out. But we could call it a burro.
A burro.
Because I can't roll my tongue. I have to do it back here.
You roll your tongue in the back of your throat? How do you, what? You purr.
I purr.
You don't roll your R. You just purr in the middle of the word.
I do.